Good evening everyone. In today's class we are just going to discuss about the topics antiseptic and antihistamine, and the page number what we are going to see is page number 70 and 71. So here we are just going to discuss what is meant by this antiseptic and antihistamine, and for what are all the diseases we are using this antiseptic and antihistamine. So first thing it is antiseptic. So antiseptics, for what purpose we will use this antiseptics? Normally we have heard this word antiseptics. It means when we are just getting any wound on our hand or due to any infections, is there anything, means what it happens on that area, particularly the bleeding it will be there, or even it may be just the rough wound it will be there. Okay, because of some microorganisms, what it happens, it may be just getting spreaded over that area. To control that growth of microorganisms and also to kill that microbes, we are using this antiseptics. Okay, this medicine we are using to kill the microbes on that outer surface. First thing, what is meant by this microorganisms? These microbes or normally cannot be seen through our normal eyes. Okay, it can be seen only through the use of the microscope, and also which will be very smaller in size. So the normally microorganisms means we all know that it is a bacteria, fungi, and also viruses. So these are all the most common microorganisms which causes infections to the human beings. So to just kill that microbes and control the growth of these microbes, we are just using this antiseptic cream. Okay, and then the next one, it is antihistamine. So what is the use of this antihistamine? So antihistamine, it is nothing but it is used to just control this allergic reactions. So allergic reactions means what? So some may if we see, usually few may get allergies through dust. Okay, through dust or even any unwanted food materials if you are taking, it may also can cause some allergic reactions, or due to some water, or many reasons. Okay, allergic reactions, it can be happened due to many reasons. What it is usually happened is in our body, when a foreign body, what a foreign body means, it is nothing but the pollens, that outer infections, whenever it is just getting inside, entering into the body, what normally it happens is that histamine, it is produced. Okay, the histamine which is just produced by our immune system. Normally our immune system, it will be just protecting our body, which here which produces this histamine. Okay, for what purpose? It will be just producing that histamine, and also what it happens is any pollen grains, whatever that infections may be, whenever it is just getting entering. Okay, while entering itself, it will identify whether it is good or bad, and whether after identifying it is bad, what it happens, that it produces a histamine. And also that histamine, what it will do means, that histamine, it will be just relaxes all that contraction of that muscle contraction, it will be everything, it will be relaxed. Okay, relaxation means either it may smooth muscle contractions. Mostly that actions, whatever we are doing, either we are shaking our hand, anything, whatever we are doing, the muscle contraction, it is very much important. So the immune system, when it is just producing this histamine, it also normally it will be just relaxes that movement of that smooth muscles, and it will be just giving that edema, it will be just produced on that surface. What is this edema means? It is the redness or rashes. Okay, mostly allergic reactions means few, if it is through air means mostly our internal organs, it will be just affected. Or here edema, redness or rashes, mostly how it is caused due to any unwanted, even by using some soaps which is not suitable for our body, this also may cause this allergic reactions. So such reactions, okay, that reactions for just indicating that what it happens, the edema, it will be produced on that outer surface. For curing these things, what we are using means this antihistamine, it will be used as a medicine. So antihistamine, for what purpose we are using, it is used as a medicine to control this allergic reactions. So allergic reactions, mostly what is that? Only by that outer appearance, mostly we can identify whether it is there or not. So internal, whether internal organs, if it is getting affected means also we can't identify easily. Okay, is there any difficulty in breathing, on in such a way only we can identify there is some problem inside. But in that outer, there is any rashes or even any redness in that area, particular area, if it is red means also we can identify, okay, something it is not good in our body. So in such a way we can identify this, and also immediate medicine we can take it for this allergic reactions. So today what are all the topics we have discussed is about antiseptic, which is used to kill that microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, and also the viruses. And then next one, it is antihistamine, which is used to cure allergic reactions in our body. Okay.